What's up? It's Lester Crypto Keys XRP coming back at you. I did the Ellipal Titan update on my cold storage wallet from the 3.2.0, but the Ellipal app is only 3.1.1, so the app itself has not been updated yet. So you can get the update for your Ellipal Titan cold storage, and the SGB will be on your cold storage and your XDC will be. But you can't read it with the QR code yet until the app has its update. So I guess right now we're waiting for Ellipal app to come out with an update, because the latest version is 3.1.1. So that's all I have right now. I will keep you updated on Songbird and the SGB tokens for Ellipal. Hope everybody's having a good night. Crypto's booming, you know. Hold your bags. Alright, see ya. Give me a like and subscribe. Lester Crypto Keys out.